We will install a sensitive mirror model in Kill on our dblo D for vehicle. First, we start by removing the screws here. Then we have a screw here under the cover. There is one here, we will remove them. Then we switch the torque to the screws. We will remove this place. We will continue like that. Now, I will show you how to remove this place. From here, like this, towards ourselves. We hang. As you can see, there are 3 clips here. It comes out when you turn it forward. Bottom. If it doesn't come out, you can push a little with the help of a screwdriver. Dblo made a nice sponge so that he wouldn't get a sound from here. We see this too. Yes, we have a socket here. We will already plug our device here. Pressing the nail from here. This is how we remove the socket. Then we will continue. Yes, you can also use a screwdriver here. I'm like a hooked end. I have a tool like dentists use. I use it, usually to throw it away. Clip here, there is a button here, you press it. But that's not enough either. Sometimes you need to support it with a screwdriver from the side. Yes, we keep dismantling. Here, we have 2 torque screws. We remove them. Yes, as you can see now, there is a door opening rope here. We will take it out. Like this here, like this. Yes, it's pretty easy. Like this. We translate this. We will translate a little more. First time the wire comes out of here. After removing it, this one comes out of here, and we save it from here. As you can see here, glass buttons, glass packages. Yes, we're already taking it out like this. Yes, we get rid of it. Now we will continue to disassemble. We have one more wedding ring over there. It will be removed with the same wedding ring again. We ripped it off now we will find lock triggers. Lock triggers right there. When you continue this cable, do not search this side of this cable. You will look this side of this cable. Because the lock is here, you know it continues from here. So that's why. You can reach this foam right away without damaging it too much. Yes, look, that's it. Lock triggers in it. We will open it and show the lock triggers through it. Yes, as you can see, we connected the pink cable to the orange-green cable, white-black cable. From here, yes, we made the connections. Here we connected the pink cable to the orange-green cable. Have white-black cable or thick white-black cable. As you can see, we connected the gray cable to him too. As you can see, our device is already socket. Now we will install the sockets in the test phase. Now we will perform our test by installing the sockets. Yes, we already said socket to socket. Now close the car door. We will lock from the remote. While closing this here, don't stay in between. Be careful not to scratch your plastics. Make sure all the doors are closed. Then now, as you can see from the remote, we close our mirrors are closing. We press the open button from the remote again, opening our controls. Also from contact, so while the car is running. I wonder on the way, will the mirrors be closed when the doors are locked? Yes, we put a sensitive mirror model on dblo and kill. Now we close the door. We locked the doors from the door handle.
Kapıları.
Yes, we locked it.
Gördüğünüz
As you
gibi
can
aynı yer
see,
kapanmıyor.
the mirrors are
Açalım.
not closing. Yes, open it. We are getting out of
Şimdi
the car
çıkıyoruz
now.
arabadan.
We will
Kumandadan
try to
kilitleyip
lock
açmayı
and open from the remote.
deneyeceğiz.
We left the
Arabadan
car, we
ayrıldık.
locked the remote.
Kumandadan kilitliyoruz.
Yes, our mirrors are closed. Now we open from the remote. Our mirrors
Aynalarımız
open.
açıldı.
The device is used in this way. Good
Orin
luck
abime
to my
hayırlı olsun.
brother Orin.